तो आज अभी मैं ओनर से मिलने जा रहा हूँ टू नेगोशिएट ऑन द प्राइस, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक सो पीपल in the market would definitely look to buy this property. तो guys, thank you so much. पिछले वीडियो में I got lot of good response and many people have subscribed on to Prithvi Avatar. And I have already started talking to all the experts to join in Prithvi Avatar and clear all your doubts. So जल्दी से जाके Prithvi Avatar को सब्सक्राइब अभी कीजिए. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my new vlog. This is Prithvi and you're watching Prithvi Nivasi. तो guys, today I'm on the way to create a new video for you guys. A beautiful Lake Hata property. बहुत सारी important बातें होगी. लोकेशन तो मैं वैसे आपको बता ही दूंगा. This is a different kind of property. बहुत दिनों से ओनर से बातें हो रही थी about the pricing. I was not quite really very happy about the price range of what owner was expecting, and it was not at all the owner's mistake as well. The price is what owner was looking at 4 crores. हालांकि प्रॉपर्टी का कॉस्ट जो है was worth 4 crores, but the market does not allow. Market price is 17,000 rupees per square feet, and this is on a 40-60 ऑलमोस्ट 40-60 का ये प्लॉट है जिसमें रेंटल इनकम, बिल्डिंग है, सब कुछ है. इट्स अ बिग प्लॉट. 40-60 एक हता प्रॉपर्टी. प्राइस ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी इज एग्जैक्टली एज पर द मार्केट, विच इज अबाउट 4 crores. अभी मैं आगे जाके आपको दिखाऊंगा. द प्राइस ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी इज 4 crores एज पर द मार्केट. द लैंड रेट देयर इज 17,000 rupees per square feet. 17,000 rupees per square feet. It is an एक हता property and it is a semi-commercial property. But काफी दिनों से बात हो रही थी ओनर के साथ that whether is it worth going for 4 crores in such property or not. But it is not a fault of owner. Owner की तो ये कोई गलती है नहीं. He was expecting 4 crores for this property because the price there, which is a non-commercial property, is selling around 1,700 rupees per square feet, and this being a semi-commercial, definitely owner is expecting 17,000 rupees, which is coming about 4 crores some change. तो ना ही इसमें ओनर की गलती है और ना ही किसी और की गलती. He has to expect 4 crores, but काफी दिनों से बात हो रही थी कि whether I should take this property in the video or not. तो आज मैं ओनर से मिलने जा रहा हूँ to negotiate on the price, because I don't think so people in the market would definitely look to buy this property for 4 crores, because the market condition is not as such that मेरा ये सोचना है कि ऐसे properties 4 crore में नहीं बिकेंगी, और nor I'll be able to showcase that in my channel for 4 crores. So definitely इसे कम करवाने के लिए मैं जा रहा हूँ. I'm going to talk to owner. I'm going to survey में करूँगा property का, वीडियो में भी आपको दिखाऊंगा, and we will understand. Actually ये वीडियो मैंने बहुत पहले ही बना देना था, लेकिन because we were contemplating on the price, we were discussing on the price कि ये price is it feasible or not in my channel, is it feasible or not in the market. क्योंकि लोगों को पता है कि the market price is as such, जैसे owner is expecting 4 crores, 17,000 rupees is the market price. That is the truth, but will it really go for 4 crores or not is what is my question. तो बस इसी वजह से today I'm going to talk to the owner on this. मैं सारा वीडियो कवर करके आपको प्रॉपर्टी भी दिखा दूंगा. It's a rental income property and also commercial, semi-commercial है ये. So the exact size I'm going to tell you in the video, and I'm going to show you the location as well. So अभी मैं फिलहाल चल पड़ा हूँ. So currently I am on Outer Ring Road traveling towards the property. तो चलते हैं, मिलते हैं प्रॉपर्टी पर. And guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kindly do not ask me the exact location of the property, the price, everything मैंने आपको reveal कर दिया है. After negotiation, what is the price going to be there, वो मैं आपको वीडियो में बताऊंगा. Exact price after negotiation with the owner, वो मैं आपको WhatsApp chat या कॉल पर नहीं बता पाऊंगा. All that will be available in this video only. So guys, if you're really a big time investor, अगर आप लोग कुछ कंस्ट्रक्ट करना चाहते हो इस प्लॉट पर, तो then if you're a builder, then this property will definitely suit you. Any doubts about Vastu, construction, numerology, about the property numerology and many things about property, any confusions that you have or any topics that you want to cover, then उसके लिए मैंने पृथ्वी अवतार रखा हुआ है। जो कोई भी आपके सवाल हो, आपके टॉपिक्स हो, एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू क्लैरिफाई विद मी, आई हैव मेड अ न्यू चैनल कॉल्ड पृथ्वी अवतार। प्लीज ज्वाइन इन दैट, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। वहाँ पे मैं एक्सपर्ट्स को ला रहा हूँ एंड वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ डिस्कशन ऑन ऑल योर टॉपिक्स, वट एवर टू बी क्लियर्ड। कुछ भी आपको क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहिए वहाँ पे हो जाएगा। सो पृथ्वी अवतार is the channel which I'm leaving the link in the description. So join पृथ्वी अवतार। पृथ्वी अवतार इसमें we are going to invite all the experts। जो अगर हम 500 से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइबर वहाँ पे दिखा पाएंगे तभी जाके even experts will be motivated to come there and share their thoughts and knowledge and help you guys to clarify your doubts. So subscribe Prithvi Nivasi, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Prithvi Avatar as well. So let's move to the property now. तो guys, इसी जगह से मैंने अपनी रियल एस्टेट की जर्नी, अपनी रियल एस्टेट की लाइफ शुरू की थी बहुत सालों पहले, काफ़ी सालों पहले। एंड अब देखिए the lot of things have changed, बहुत सारा। it is one of the most developed area। तो खैर उस टाइम पे मैं एक salaried employee था। I was just a salaried employed in a company। अभी फ़िलहाल I'm a free bird, मैं जो चाहे वो मैं कर सकता हूँ अभी। I am just free, there is nobody who can question me that what I'm doing and I'm enjoying my life like this। So guys, if you feel that you should also join with me in real estate, if you have a car and if you have time to spend for yourself with me in real estate, then हम लोग 20 to 25% of the commission we are sharing with you people। So if you feel that you have a car, contact me for 20 to 25% of commission to earn in real estate with me। तो guys, call me अगर आपको कोई doubts हैं तो मैं आपका doubts clear करने के लिए। Right in front of the property, from this to this is the property and the depth I will explain you। So guys, exact size of this property is 2,356 square feet, almost 40-60, and semi-commercial। पास में ही Whitefield है, the main road, the main commercial area, and hardly 2-3 properties, and there is a restaurant on top, कुछ दुकान है यहाँ पे नीचे, and we have a bakery, online bakery right on top, which owner is rented out। So let me go inside, अंदर जाके देखते हैं क्या है। तो अंदर जाके देखते हैं what and all is there, and let me go around and show you the property। So this is a residential area ना, तो 1 unit complete। 2 units, 1 unit। So there is 1 complete unit in the ground floor and the second complete unit in the first floor। So there are ground में it is 2 BHK, तो ground में 3 BHK, in the first floor 3 BHK, 2 units, and in the top floor we have a bakery। What is the expected rent? So ground floor में we can expect about 30,000 rupees currently, and the first floor as well around 30,000 approximately। There is a bakery right on top which is actually paying right now, how much is it paying? 23. So 23,000 is what the bakery is paying right now to the owner। So 60,000 plus 23,000, and यहाँ पे एक दुकान है। So this is also this is guys, ये दोनों ही दुकान right opposite facing towards the main road। main road is about 40 feet road। अगर आप एक builder हो तो आप इस सारे building को demolish करके you can go for a good service apartment, और ऐसे ही condition में you can run a beautiful service apartment here। यहाँ से मैं दिखाता हूँ, ये फर्स्ट फ्लोर वाला 3 BHK है और ग्राउंड फ्लोर में एक 3 BHK है। दोनों की एक्सपेक्टेशन इज 30,000 rupees rent each, and bakery is in top of this which is paying 23,000। Guys, I'm on the terrace right now, so I will still try to show you the Whitefield area। जितनी भी बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग है और ऑफिसेस आपको दिख रहे हैं, तो that is all Whitefield over there। Guys, basically it was 2,360 स्क्वायर फीट का ये प्लॉट है, एंड यहाँ आने के बाद पता चला कि इट इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू द मेन रोड एंड इट इज़ वेरी मच वर्थ टू बी कॉल्ड एज अ सेमी कमर्शियल प्रॉपर्टी। इट्स एन एक हाथा, ये दिस इज एक हाथा राइट। सो दिस इज अ BBMP एक हाथा प्रॉपर्टी। यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी the prices are about 17,000 here and there, so it's not a fault of anybody, we can't blame anybody that we are quoting so high। It is 23-year-old building, the structure on 2,360 square feet, and the cost would come up to around only the plot का अगर आप रेट देखोगे then it would be about 4 crore some change definitely. But guys, मैंने यही सोचा कि I will talk to the owner on the pricing and I will come to a conclusion because the market is different, its ask is different, and क्या best हो सकता है. So what is the best that we can work out for you people? I will talk to the owner and I will try and bring this price. Let us see if it is comfortable with the owner. 1-2 मिनट में आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि प्राइस क्या हो सकता है. The total final price. एक हाथा BBMP property, a semi-commercial property, and the complete rent owned by the owner is about 80,000 rupees at this moment, including the दोनों दुकान जो मैंने आपको दिखाए, the bakery on top and the houses also. And so completely 80,000 is what easily you can expect. And if you are a big time investor, a builder, then guys, आप लोग you can go for anything, you can build anything, and you can deal with this property in various different ways. तो guys, this is the shop, right? जो मैंने आगे से आपको दिखाया था, ये that is the ground floor, that is the first floor, and as per the owner you can go ahead with another 2 floors here. एक इधर और एक इसके ऊपर आप बना के you can rent this out as well. तो कुल मिला के after a long discussion with the owner, I have tried to get this property price down to 3 crore 77 lakh rupees from 4 crores. So guys, actually the market price is 4 crores only, 4 crores some change. 17,000 rupees if you calculate with 2,357 square feet, it goes more than 4 crores. So this is the market price, but still we have tried and closed this for 3 crore 77 lakhs, which owner is not willing to come down because this is a semi-commercial and it is really worth buying for the price what I have mentioned, 3 crore 77 lakhs. Baki, it depends on you. My number is in the description. Call me and we can try and sit down with the owner on the table and close the deal as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching till here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. मिलते हैं एक अगली और नई वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए bye bye.